Rodeline. Good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Rodeline Taladua, 36 years old. I live Nurala, Poblacion,
Okay. Are you single or married?
single.
Do you have kids?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 brothers, 4 sisters. I am the 5th sister in the family.
Okay. Please tell me about educational background.
I am undergraduate college, Bachelor of Education Elementary.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm trustworthy, helpful, God-fearing, and patient.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to go Hong Kong to support my family financially and save more for my future.
Okay. Who will take care of your children when you go to Hong Kong?
I have no kids, ma'am.
Please tell me about your working experience.
My work experience here in the Philippines in year 2020 to 2023 with couple and 1 kids. Age of kids is 3 years old girl.
And what is your job duties?
My duties is marketing, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and cooking.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What we will do if the baby will cry?
I will check the diaper if it's dirty and I will change it. If the baby is hungry, I will feed here.
Okay. What we will do if the children are not and will not listening to you?
I will sing a song or play with them, ma'am.
What we will do if you feel homesick?
I will focus my work and employers need.
Okay. Do you have the full consent of your husband, parents, family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
Send financial support.
Are you willing to share room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and employer will pay us overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing a nursery song.
The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round, all through the time.
Okay, do you know how to swim?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give a message to your future employer to hire you.
Hello to my employer. Please choose me as your housemaid. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and obedient. I hope you choose me as your housemaid and see you soon in Hong Kong. God bless and thank you.